Well, hi, this is Jill, and welcome to my kitchen. If you're a regular viewer, a subscriber, you'll notice things look a little different today. We're going to try some new camera technique, and I'm also going to try some different techniques as far as how I cook and how I do a recipe. We all are so fast. It's just like it's like a freeway out there. And I realized that, when people cook or you want to watch somebody cook and they're just speeding through the recipe, let's just slow down and enjoy the process of cooking. So that's what we're going to do from now on. And I hope that I'd like comments about it. Please leave comments. If you hate it, let me know. If you like it, let me know too. So after having said all that, we are making bagels with cream cheese and some delicious smoked salmon. Now I want to show you what we use. We buy, get the package here. This is happens to be the brand that we buy, but there are so many brands of smoked salmon. Trader Joe's carries it. Most grocery stores carry it. We like the coho salmon. We just like the flavor. It's a little milder. I know what's interesting is I looked up the difference between lox and smoked salmon. Lox is only salt brined, whereas smoked, they do a very short salt brining and then the rest of it is smoked. But we really enjoy the smoked more. So I'll show you what we're doing here. Of course, you have to have your bagel. Now this is the director's. I take a half, but he's a full size guy there, and we've got some, of course, some delicious, right? And you always have to toast that bagel. Toast the bagel. And we have some wonderful Philadelphia cream cheese here. Of course, any brand, store brand, or whatever you like. But just some cream cheese. And I let it sit on the counter for a while so it would get nice and soft and easier to spread. So we're just going to spread some cream cheese on this. It's so simple. We were talking about dining out versus cooking your own food at home. And it's true. You can make a fabulous meal. You know who's cooking it. You know what the ingredients are. You know what the kitchen looks like. I mean, sometimes we have gone into restaurants and got to look at that kitchen, and it was like, we're out of here. So we really enjoy dining at home, cooking at home. And if you were to go out and have a bagel with a lox or cream cheese and smoked salmon, oh my gosh. Whereas when you have it at home, of course, it's a lot less expensive. And I'm just making a mess here, aren't I? That's okay. All right, so once you have done your schmear, like I have here, and I have, of course, this beautiful, look at that smoked salmon. Isn't that beautiful? And it's just really a matter of, laying the strips on the cream cheese. Now, if you said, oh gosh, I don't want smoked salmon, you could use Canadian bacon. This would be delicious with Canadian bacon. And, it's really just a matter of putting the lox on the uh, bagel here. We're going to move this around. And we only today have the cream cheese and the lox, or I should say smoked salmon. But you could add a very thinly sliced cucumber. We love it with red onion, very thin sliced red onion. Just topped it, just give it a nice little zip. It's awfully good. So, but those are ideas for you if you want to, change it up a little bit. As I said, if you don't like smoked salmon, you can use the Canadian bacon, and it makes it just delicious. So we're just going to put that on there. And look how quick that was too. Just a matter of a few minutes. That the toaster almost took longer than the putting it together. So, and this is absolutely a divine lunch or a nice breakfast. You could have this with mimosas. We're going to have ours today. We haven't decided whether we're going to go with a beer or maybe a glass of champagne. But if you were to do a nice brunch for yourself, some friends, a nice mimosa, which is, of course, orange juice and a little champagne in there, makes it very festive. Well, I hope you enjoyed this new technique. I did, as I said, I'd love to have some response and some comments. And I hope that you'll try this recipe. There's really nothing to write down like I normally do when I do a recipe. So this is just kind of it's a good place to jump off. You can do it straight up like this, or you can really, embellish it. Thanks a lot for watching. I hope you'll tell your friends about my channel. I hope if you're here new, I hope you'll subscribe, and I will be back again. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.